After preparing your space and collecting all necessary parts and tools for your new dishwasher's installation, we'll connect the power cable. First, it's important to ensure your cabinet is equipped with a dedicated, grounded power supply rated at 15 amps or higher. Some installations will be hardwired rather than connected to an outlet. Make sure the water supply valve and circuit breaker are turned off before making any connections. Note that tipping the dishwasher on its back may allow easier access to the junction box. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the junction box cover. Using a wire stripper, prepare the ends of the power cable. Next, secure them with strain relief. Then, with the twist-on connectors, make the electrical connections, ensuring that the positive, negative, and ground wires are connected correctly. Close the electrical junction box. Ensure the wiring is secured under the provided clips to avoid damage when inserting the dishwasher into the cabinet.